Ever seen those little plug-in devices promising to slash your fuel bills overnight? In 2026, fuel phases everywhere. Facebook ads, sketchy websites, even expert reviews. But is it too good to be true? I'm here to cut through the noise and tell you what's really going on. Let's start with the science. Modern cars already burn over 99% of their fuel efficiently. No cheap gadget can suddenly make your engine smarter. It's just not possible. When automotive experts cracked open the fuel phase device, guess what they found? Just a basic circuit board, a blinking LED, and that's about it. Nothing connects to your car's computer. It does absolutely nothing for your fuel economy. But the scam goes deeper. Those glowing video testimonials you see? They're stock footage and paid actors. The leading experts are made up. And if you look closer, the websites selling fuel phase often have shady connections. Some even trace back to addresses used for ransomware. Yikes. Watch out for classic red flags. Limited stock, pop-ups, big discounts, like R499900 slashed from R99900, designed to rush your decision. And plenty of buyers say they never got their orders or the company vanished when they tried to complain. Worse yet, car manufacturers like Toyota warn that using these devices could void your warranty. If anything goes wrong, you're on your own. So what can actually help with fuel prices in South Africa right now? In April 2026, the National Treasury cut fuel levies by R3.00L until May 5th. Still, prices jumped. Petrol 95 up R3.06L, diesel up R7.37L. For real updates, always check the official Department of Mineral and Petroleum Resources website. Bottom line, don't get scammed by miracle fuel gadgets. Your best bet? Drive smart, keep your car maintained, and follow the official news.